Follow the pathway ka ng nice signage nga giraffe sir.
Kani din eh? Di na agi ano hapon.
Ready, get set. Up.
Pwede na kita ako.
Don't shout, uy.
Oh, you scared the giraffe.
They ran away.
We go inside na. We go inside to our room, okay? Oh, sorry. Ano naman musugot sila yung dadalaw car din eh.
Haligis na tas other guest. Ha? Ito na yung maglakaw-lakaw.
It's okay.
Here, Gavin, go. Pang-block mo nila ang ikaw po eh.
Wait, careful.
Watch your step.
Hala. Nani mong key?
Hello? Biling.
Ilak na ko. Nani mong key? Ay. Ikaw be check be.
Give mommy back her cell phone. It's, you need to give.
You go with daddy. You go with daddy.
Isa pa ganito siya. Cabins.
We want there. The gentleman. Not let them go first. Okay? We'll go for the middle one. What? Stop it.
Okay, ready, tapan mo di kay.
I got it here, so Axel has some space. Here.
Ano, nakamag...
No.
Mao ni ang cabin?
Safari light.
Cabin 6 and 7. This is the restaurant. Yan ito mga.
Yes, po. Can I want the safari?
I thought dool sa cabin
After
ang
the night
pool.
safari.
So ang pool, dito ra gyud ay dool sa...
Is the hyena, a 3 to 5 minutes viewing of our striped hyena. And the next one is the canopy trail, a magical night walk leading to our next attraction, the safari fountain. Or you can take pictures or videos with our safari fountain with lights. For our first drop off area po,
Let's go to the Lion Adventure.
Be careful na.
Ow.
Please watch your steps. Mind the gap lang po.
Watch out. Carefully.
To the grab bars and don't extend your fingers outside the trap. And lastly, don't use flash photography.
Do not keep your hand outside the seat. Okay, this one.
Naka-detour mo ganiha, ma'am, sir?
Gamay. Oh.
Gamay.
Not here. Wala
Wala
dire.
din. Okay, so here inside, we have two white tat na ani ang uban aning trees na scratches. That is their way of marking their territories by urinating or leaving scratching on trees. Is ang female. It's because mas gaan og lawas ang female. Dali ra
Kay gamay.
Yes, kani sila magbantay ra ni sa ilang territory. And this
To go inside the waffle. Let's go. We're going to go inside the waffle.
Nakita ko sa laughing dog.
Yes po. Pero ang naana to, ang makita na to karong gabi is ang striped hyena. Ang katong laughing hyena kay spotted man to siya. Ang bang na inyong manor ka na wala pang i-open na din ha ang spotted hyena.
Mo tong murag nag-howl kanina.
No, wala pa lang nakuman. So that side, that's their holding facility area. That's where they rest at night and eat their food. So pwede na mo visit din yung ma'am sir 9 a.m.
Makita na mo ang tulo.
Yes ma'am. Kumusta ninyo si Bugoy? Si Max and si Jack. So that's it for our White Lion Night Safari Adventure. Let's go to our next attraction, the Striped Hyena po. So ang spotted finish soon, Maris, na siya mag-join sa siya sa Night Safari. Wala siya ang laughing hyena. Ang Striped Hyena is...
I was talking from the line says I saw roaring.
You were just
Wait for that.
sad that the lion didn't roar.
Oh.
Watch your step, huh? Watch your step. One
Watch
type
out
of...
for the sharks and
Yeah.
be
Watch your step.
careful for the sharks and the mosquito.
Why sharks and... Is that my... Is that... Was it a question or...
Oh yeah, like a lion drives through. Lion drives through.
Okay, fine. Okay, same seat. You're sitting beside us, so...
Is that one mommy?
To the high.
No. Maximum of 5 only.
Is that a light?
May giraffe na tulog.
Oo. Magtindog ra gyud na sila. Matulog.
Risky sa ilaha pag mag-lay down na.
Oh.
Just like in Lion.
Ayun. So we have here our striped hyena named Leroy.
Leroy.
Hyenas are the national animal of Lebanon.
Oh. You say, hey, Leroy.
Hi, infants, ma'am. By the way, there are 4 types of hyenas: the spotted, striped, Aardwolf, and the brown hyenas. The one that you saw in the movie Lion King, those are the spotted hyenas or the laughing hyenas.
Fossil skeleton. Then a
And as you notice, mas longer yung front legs.
Why does Kotra plus hyena?
Hyena truck.
Toe hyena. Toe hyena.
Calling the uwak. It's
Look, pelicans.
wow, look at that. It's like fairies. Oh, wow.
Sa night safari, mo na po.
Ah.
Hey, before is mga LED lights lang sa baba. Marami sa nag-sharing namin.
Pindot ka ayo. Can you hear the water? Good night, girl. Oh.
Nothing.
How?
Ito, night mode.
Where?
Okay, wait. Wait sa gamit. Hold grandpa's hand. Don't let go. Video. HD 60.
Okay.
Yeah, may camera 60.
Dual capture. Ah, wow. Gavin.
Bye, bro. Pwede mo take picture. May traswapa ko bang group. Hindi ko sa ano ma.
Call the tiger again.
What's the tralalelo Kaiser's name? What's the
Mama, Jam, Papa, Mike, naman sila. Gi-video na lang nako para daghan.